Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can now set up belts with visit conditions based on multiple classes. I've gone to my app drawer, then into setup, and finally down to belts. And this improvement will apply to both creating brand new belts and editing existing ones, which is what we're going to look at today. I'm going to choose this first belt here, the brown belt, and you can see it has no visit conditions set up currently. Click on the pencil icon to edit the belt. And underneath belt requirements, we have a couple of options here. We have a toggle for student must attend classes for a specific period of time. And then we have a second toggle for require students to attend specific classes. So this one underneath the require students to attend specific classes is the one that I'm going to want to make sure is on. Once this is on, I can now decide which combination of classes my clients must attend to be able to be promoted to the next belt level. This improvement allows you to select multiple classes within this criteria, so clients can attend however many of any of these classes you want them to. To set this up, I'm going to say, to get this belt and move up to the next level, the client must have 5 visits to any of the following. Where my select class dropdown is here, I can now take a look at the list of all of the classes that I offer and decide what classes are going to be required in any combination to get this belt. Maybe we have them attend 5 visits of any combination of gentle yoga, intro to yoga, or spin class. Okay, so now clients are going to have to go to any of these classes. They could do 1 gentle yoga and 4 intro to yoga, or 3 spin class, 2 intro to yoga. Any combination will work. I can also add another condition if I want. I can do this as many times as I would like. So now I can indicate clients must have 5 visits to any combination of the 3 I've selected above, and maybe we'll say 2 visits to either advanced yoga flow or intermediate yoga flow. So now my clients are going to have to go to a minimum of 7 classes, 5 from the first 3 options up here, and 2 of any combination of these 2 classes as well. As always, make sure you save your work when you are done. And now you can see that for my brown belt, there are 7 specific classes that a client would need to complete some combination of in order to be promoted to the next belt level. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.